Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique kitchen appliance that promises both style and functionality, the Dash Clearview Toaster. Imagine a toaster that not only toasts your bread but lets you watch it toast through a large, front-facing window. It's sleek, it's retro, but does it deliver beyond its looks? Let's find out. Let's start with the design. The Dash Clearview Toaster boasts a charming retro aesthetic with its colorful options and that distinctive front window. This feature not only adds a vintage flair to your kitchen but also allows you to monitor your toast as it browns. Moving on to performance, our tests revealed mixed results. While it efficiently toasts bread and bagels, achieving the desired shade consistently was a challenge. The heating element, while visible through the glass, doesn't always provide an accurate gauge of toasting progress, which can be frustrating. So, should you consider the Dash Clearview Toaster for your kitchen? If you prioritize style and enjoy the novelty of watching your toast, it might be worth a look. However, if you're seeking precise toasting performance without compromise, especially for the price point, you may want to explore other options. That wraps up our review of the Dash Clearview Toaster. If you've used this toaster before or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time on Product Critique, thanks for watching.